Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the message and constraints, platform, length, and call to action, because clarity shapes every choice. Once done, gather product samples, clean logo files, and quick B-roll ideas so you can shoot efficiently. Make a concise shot list and a short script. This saves time on set and avoids reshoots. Also, set up a basic lighting kit and test your lapel mic, since clean audio and consistent framing keep viewers watching. You now move into execution. Follow the 3-shot approach so the edit has options. Start wide, get a medium demo, then intimate close-ups. While shooting, control light, soft key, gentle fill, and flags to prevent blowouts, because texture sells product. Direct your talent to perform the demo naturally and keep lines short. Fewer takes are better when you capture honest reactions. Make sure to record abundant B-roll and alternative angles, as those inserts solve pacing and continuity in the edit. You finish by crafting a tight edit that hits the hook within the first 3 seconds, because retention depends on immediate interest. Once done, color grade for consistency, tighten audio levels, and add simple motion graphics for the CTA so viewers know what to do next. Export with H.264 using 812 Mbps for 1080p and make platform-specific crops. If uploads fail or playback stutters, first check bitrate and resolution. Then re-encode with a slightly...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.